Hey, Mr. Aura here, and we're talking about interval notation and the three forms. So here we have two problems. We're going to write, or we're going to put on a number line and write an interval notation. The first one is -2 is less than x, and that means x is less than or equal to 5. So let's draw our number line. Of course, 0 in the middle. -2 is less than 0. 5 is larger. So -2 is less than x, so that's a parentheses. X is less than or equal to 5, so that is a bracket, and we'll shade the middle region. And the nice thing about compound inequalities is they convert right over to interval notation. So parentheses -2 to 5 bracket. The next one here, 4 is less than or equal to x, and x is less than or equal to 8. So there's 0, and both 4 and 8 are to the right of 0. Make sure you put them in the correct order. But 4 is less than or equal to x, that is a bracket. X is less than or equal to 8, that is another bracket, and so we want the middle. So we have bracket 4, 8, bracket. And compound inequalities are pretty easy to convert over.